My name is Pliska. I'm an electrician at Plant 1 at Waupaca Foundry. I have been working at Waupaca Foundry for 8 years. I started in the mill room in 2005 and I worked in the mill room for 7 years, and I just recently got transferred to electrician. I troubleshoot machines when they break down and figure out what exactly is wrong, what's not working. We can either replace it or rewire it. You make the foundry a safer place to work at. When a machine goes down, we troubleshoot either by going on a computer and figuring out what's not working, or we actually go down by the machine and work with the operators and try to determine what's wrong. The majority of the machines are hooked onto a program where we can look onto the system. Anything that's going on with the machine, we can actually see what's running, what's happening to it. There's levels saying that this part of the machine's running and that part's not running, so you keep going further and further into the machine and you try and narrow it down what component's not working. In Plant 1, they're putting in a new robot, L65, and we installed a light curtain that you cannot stick your hand in without shutting the machine down. It shoots out 2 lasers that if you cross that line of the lasers, it shuts the whole machine down and stops everything instantly. So that way you cannot get your hand anywhere near any moving parts. That's fun working on some new projects like that. You wire it up and then watch it work, and it's amazing. I've been an electrician for 5 months and I have not done the same thing twice. There's a lot of machines out there, so I'm still learning a lot. They try and help me with everything. When I go talk to operators I've never talked to yet, they always explain it really nicely how the machine runs, so it's easy to get connected with everybody and everyone helps you out. My job is pretty important. Everything out there has something to do with electronics. If I come into work and something's not working and the whole plant's down, Waupaca Foundry's not making any money, and it could be something that I do to fix it and then get everything running again. Around high school, I was really intrigued by remote starters. I actually was going to school to install car stereos and car alarms at a specialized school. They taught me a lot of the basics about electronics. I've always wanted to be an electrician, so I found out that I could become an electrician at Waupaca Foundry, talked to some people, and started taking classes and tried working my way into the field. I took advantage of tuition reimbursement. I take classes and the foundry pays for it. Fox Valley Tech, it's really easy taking classes and working, and the foundry works with you a lot. It is a lot easier going to the tech, learning something, and then that day coming to work and actually working on it. It's a lot easier to understand everything. It's a fun and exciting job. You always have something new thrown at you, and at the end of the day you realize that you've made changes and you've made improvements. You're never going to be stuck in a position. At Waupaca Foundry, you can go from being at the bottom and work your way up to electrician, the project electrician, the electrical engineer. There's many different opportunities available. When I first got out of high school, I looked for a lot of jobs around the area, and I found one in Waupaca, and I love it. It's a fun job. If you like seeing how everything works and you're good at math and you're really like troubleshooting equipment, this is the perfect job. Waupaca Foundry is a good place in the middle of Waupaca. I don't have to commute at all. Grew up here, I could stay here. It's a good life.